Hey up guys, welcome to a brand new video. I'm in Great Yarmouth today, just checking it out, see how it's changed since last year I came. So I'm going to do a little walk around Britania Pier because apparently they've done it out a little bit, so if I just flick it around, just over there. So since last time I came, it's been done out a little bit down this bottom bit, so I'm going to stick my finger camera on and have a walk round, see what it's like. So why don't you just come with me and have a look what it's been done out like. But it's like I say, it's June today. June the is it? I think it's the 14th, Saturday. So yeah, yes, because it was Friday the 13th yesterday. So it's Saturday the 14th of June. It's a nice hot day, so yeah, let's go around Britania Pier and have a quick look. So off we go. So that's the old lights. Hopefully it ain't going to wobble about for you. I don't really use this chest mount very often, but it's a little bit more discreet, isn't it, rather than using the other camera where you're pointing it. It's sort of like yeah, you can walk around without people like looking at you and noticing you whacking a camera in front of the faces. Oh, I'll wait for this one to go, it's not ready yet. It probably ain't changed that much, but you know, we'll have a look. Like I say, there's Joyland there, look. That's still closed. It used to be open all day, didn't it? Like really open really early, and but yeah, the front's changed quite a bit, ain't it? So I should really put my mic on because you might, you know, the wind and that.
Sit over there, shall we?
Got an arcade down below. How much are these? 20p a go, or a £1 for 5 days? Well, it's just the same, ain't it? You'd thought it'd be a £1 for 6 goes, won't you, or something like that. So this is all new, this arcade bit, ain't it? We'll have a walk around the arcade, because you used to just go straight up the outside here, didn't you? So let's get my wallet out. I might have a go on something, I don't know yet. Oh, which one have I put it in? Here we go guys, I've got my wallet. Hang on, let's shut my bag up. Have a quick look about. You know, I might have a go around and look at some arcades in a bit. Yes, this is the new arcade on Britania Pier then. Got Super Bikes 3. Where'd it go? How old's this one? It must be a newish game, isn't it? Who's this by? Is it by Namco or something like that? No, I don't know. Some more grabbers there. 20p a go. Oh, it goes all the way back here, look. £2 a go. I wonder if I could hit the top of there. Oh look, you've got a VR machine. VR. Oh yeah. Oh, that's VR, isn't it? What's it called? Overtake R. Oh, the old 2p slots, look. What money have I got? I've got much change. Might have to get some change, I reckon. Is there any change machine? Oh, we've got a 2p cash. We'll get a 2p, loads of 2p's. Right, we'll just... Oh, what's this? That's cool, isn't it? It's different. So, right, back on the pier, guys. So it might get a bit blowy around here. You know how it is, don't you? So this is where we used to come from, down there, you see. So let's go have a walk around the old pier. Yeah, I think it's only that section what's actually been done out and it's new. I'm assuming around the back end it's how it is, how it always used to be. So yeah, I'm assuming if you've got a dog or something, you've got to come on the beach bit. So you can still get on the beach, Britania Pier, from this section. Got some donkey rides down there. Pack smash. I remember years and years ago, back in the day, the sea used to come underneath the pier here. Because we used to go for like shows. I can remember always coming out, and when the tide was in, we used to come underneath the pier here. I don't think we can go. Is it shut? Looks like it's shut up here. Oh right, it's shut. Right, okay. Not going up there then. That's a shame. Can't walk around. But we'll go the other side just to like have a quick look. Yeah. So unfortunately we've got the fair section fenced off, so you can't walk through it at night. So I expect they only open it at certain hours. So this is the other side, Britania Pier. Yeah, look, they've got a... That's a shame, you can't actually walk to the top. So if you go north towards Hemsby, up there, and carry on, you go round to Cromer and Wells. You've got to go about 30-40 miles though around the beach. But yeah, look, they've got it sectioned off, so they can't, until the fair's open, you can't walk around, which is a shame. So yeah, that's Britania Pier, guys. How it's just been done out there. It's only new down the bottom where that new arcade is, but everything else is still the same. But yeah, we can't walk around at the top because it's sectioned off where the fair is, so that's a shame. I thought I might have been able to walk all the way around, but you can't for some reason. I expect when the fair's open, they'll open the gates and you can walk around, but like I say, it's still about 11 o'clock in the morning. But I would have thought it'd been open, but it's not, so yeah, that's new Britania Pier, the arcade section. Just a quick video to show you, just show you the beach again before we go northbound. You got Haven site right up there. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.